Welcome to Roseanne Tests and Quizzes YouTube channel. Total questions, 10. Choose the suitable option for the given sentence. And answer will be displayed after 10 seconds. Please don't forget to post your marks in the comments section. Wish you all the best. Introduction. We often use for, and, since when talking about time. For, plus period, a period is a duration of time, 5 minutes, 2 weeks, 6 years. For means from the beginning of the period to the end of the period. Since plus point, a point is a precise moment in time, 9 o'clock, 1st January, Monday. Since means from a point in the past until now. Watch the complete video and pause the video if you want more time to read and answer. Correct option is A. For. Correct option is B. Since. Correct option is A. For. Correct option is B. Since. Correct option is A. For. Correct option is B. Since. Correct option is B. Since. Correct option is A. For. Correct option is A. For. Correct option is B. Since. Thank you for watching. Please comment down your score and share with your friends. And please do subscribe the channel for more tests and quizzes.